What stands out most will definitely be the people here for sure. I mean, they're definitely a great community. They're here to support you. I guess if you want to follow that up, the second best thing would just be the work that you're doing. Like, you're definitely going to learn a lot for sure.
I think the learning opportunities that they provide are really valuable. And it's not just sitting there wondering, how to answer a question and being stuck on something for 30 minutes. Everybody's just super open and super available to ask questions and learn from.
I'd say the culture at JRBT is very welcoming. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from. They will make you feel at home.
I feel like everybody's nice to each other. You're able to laugh even though we're a bit stressed out right now. And I think that's very unique, at least from what I've heard of other corporate environments. I think it makes it very special.
Everyone's really respectful and really sweet, very kind and very outgoing. Everyone is looking to see in what ways they can help each other and bring everybody closer together, which has been really nice.
As an intern, which is really cool, I get to email clients and also call clients, which is really fun. Whether or not we get them a refund or they have tax due, they appreciate what we do because we save them time.
The way we connect with real impact to the clients is that as interns, you're working on real clients as same as everyone else. So you're doing something directly that's helping another individual.
A lot of returns. So you're kind of interacting with different people throughout the firm. You get to pull a return, kind of prepare it as much as you can, ask questions to management, also kind of do the digging into clients of what might they not have, what do we need to contact them. They also do some fun stuff. So we'll have some fun intern lunches, some fun activities on the side too.
It's just either following up on the current clients I have, and if those are in a waiting, then I just keep on moving on to the next and tackling the next task and so on and so forth. The more you can pull, the better.
I've been able to kind of see that sometimes you need to delegate work based on a community's need and not just my own need or my own desires that I have to kind of have everything done at one time, but that I need to focus on a certain client now and then tomorrow I'll focus on a different client.
I really quickly learned that I had to get really diversified in everything I knew, and there was going to be kind of no real time to just turn my brain off and forget about everything and just focus in and actually have to learn and discover things in order to get through my work.
In terms of accessibility for the managers or partners, everyone's accessible. Majority of people will have the doors open unless they're having meetings or out of the office, something like that. But you can always walk into their office, you can email them, Teams them, they're always around to help you.
If I'm late in the office, they always stop by, and we're not talking about accounting, we're talking about things outside of accounting, how my life is, how their life is.
The buddy system is basically you are assigned a staff member is assigned to you, and their job is essentially to answer any questions you have, to kind of be like a one-on-one mentor to you.
My buddy Tammy, she is always willing to answer any questions I have. She tells me I got it every morning, tells me good morning, asks me if I need help with anything, guides me anyway. Even if she doesn't know, she's like, hey, we're gonna go talk to this person together. We'll get it figured out.
What I think that makes JRBT a great place to work for the younger people is that just getting that experience of being treated like a staff. Obviously you have no one really looking over your shoulder. It's kind of up to you to ask those questions, so it kind of feels like you're getting that experience of what it's like to be working on your own.
You're in a perfect environment for growth, and in any environment that allows you to expand your horizons both personally and professionally, I think it's one of the best experiences that you can have.